Hi viewers, welcome to my channel and thank you for coming and taking some time. So this is let's jump start to our today's subject. So this is a very long line and I have created a variable on it. So you can see this is a very long. So let's see print that line. Simply print what happened without this. Okay, let's see what is print. So it's why it's give a it cannot be print because this is a very line. So for this we write this. So now you can see uh, in this way you can print this statement. So now let's come if you want to use uh, the words in inverted commas, it means that you want to print separately. So for this is here is a command. So I will unquote it for you and for the sake of brevity I will unquote this. We have no use. So now you can see, yes, you can see this is printing. If you can keep, oh, where it gone, sorry. And this whole line is here. It is in the here is last word is wise. And let's see what about here. Where is gone? Yes, here is also the last word is wise. So this is a short tip for you, for a beginner. It's very useful in many projects. So thank you for watching and keep watching, and please comments and give suggestions. Thank you.